I would sell it for about 16 USD. Nice truck, man.
Well, thank you.
If I give you a good price, would you sell it?
What are you thinking?
Let me just take a quick look. Yeah, we want to hunt vehicles in the parking lot. That's how hard it is to buy vehicles nowadays. Hopefully no one will steal this. It's an SLT. It's Ash from Carflex. Nice to meet you too. It's a 2018.
Yeah.
What, do you mind if I scan the VIN number?
Yeah.
So we're talking about 140,000 miles almost. My offer is gonna be closer to 20, maybe 18. That's too low.
No. I just bought it a year ago at 31. Talking USD or Canadian?
No, like I would sell it for about 16 USD.
Yeah, so you'd be talking like 38, 40 in that range.
No, the USD is 1.4 almost, but that's a wholesale.
Yeah, no, I
That-
couldn't. Yeah.
No problem, man. Like anyways, I'll give you my business card if you
Yeah.
need anything in the future. Maybe after a year you want to sell it, maybe the market will be up, right? It's my pleasure meeting you, man.
Yep, you too, man.
Have a great weekend. Bye. So that's good. The Audi is still here.